this video shall be talking about an incredible herb that may not be well known to many people, but has amazing health benefits to us. That is no other herb than the humble purslane. Purslane. The botanical name is Portulaca oleracea, and it's a succulent plant that is often considered as a weed, but it's also cultivated and consumed as a nutritional leafy green. So, purslane is very versatile. It grows widely in very rich soils, in cracks, and also in dead trees turning into humus. It grows in such places. It's in the family of water leaf, but its leaf is much shorter and very succulent. It has gained popularity in recent years due to its impressive health benefits. Let's take a look at some of the health benefits that we can find with purslane. Purslane is a nutritional powerhouse containing a wide range of essential vitamins and minerals. It is particularly high in beta-carotene, which is a provitamin to vitamin A. It's high in vitamin C and vitamin E. These are powerful antioxidants, as well as the B vitamin like riboflavin and niacin. It's also high in folates, and we shall talk a bit more about folate. It's important to supporting cellular life and also in pregnancy. It also provides important minerals such as manganese, magnesium, calcium, potassium, and iron. So it can help you. If you look at the stem of the plant, of the herb, it's reddish purple. That shows the iron content in it. So it's bursting with iron. So grab it. Next time you see it, grab it and eat some of it, good quantity, to reap this nutrient, amazing nutrient that is stored in it. So being rich in calcium and magnesium, those are vital nutrients, vital minerals that you need for bone health. Let's move to the other health benefits. Omega-3 fatty acids. Purslane is one of the few plants that contains significant amounts of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega fatty acids that are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and potential cardiovascular benefits. Purslane is rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene, as we have said before, a provitamin to vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, which helps protect cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants may play a role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases. We have seen studies are showing, researchers are revealing that oxidative stress is the foundation or plays a part to development of chronic diseases. How does it help heart health? The omega-3 fatty acid and potassium, as I mentioned before, and a low sodium content make it beneficial for heart health. It can lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol level, and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Please, go and look for this herb and eat it. I hope I can find it here where I am. I will gobble it. Let's talk about weight management. You see, it's very succulent. It contains a lot of water and is high in fiber. And this is what you need in your weight management game, plus exercises and eating healthy. Purslane is low in calorie and high in fiber, which can promote a feeling of fullness and help control appetite. This can be beneficial for weight management and maintaining a healthy weight. How does it support your digestion? The high fiber content in purslane can support a healthy digestive system by promoting regular bowel movement and preventing constipation. So it will help you to go. It's a good prebiotic for our intestinal flora, our normal flora. So it will do your digestive system and your entire microbiome good. Now let's talk about the skin health. The vitamins and the antioxidants that are contained in purslane may help to improve skin health by protecting against the UV damage and reducing the signs of aging. Wow. So it can make you look younger. I better look for it. Who does not want to look young? Nobody wants to grow old. So let's grab this herb and include it in our diet. It will help us well. Studies also show that it may have some anti-cancer property, as it has a lot of antioxidants with anti-inflammatory effects. However, more research is still needed in this area. So, I tell you a bit of experience that I have with this herb. Growing up as a child, my parents are farmers, so going with them to farm, we always see this herb and we weed it and pack it as if it's nothing. But I didn't know much about it until sometime when I was in my teens, and I come across one woman that was struggling with infertility. I don't know how she got to know about this herb, and she began to use it very regularly, religiously. He put it in everything she cooks, and she was using it for a special kind of soup we call owo soup. If you're an African, you will know what this is. And oh my God, I tried it one day and really I enjoyed it. And she continuously eats this herb, and after a while the lady got pregnant. Now, hear my disclaimer. I'm not saying that if you eat only that herb you are going to be fertile, you are going to be pregnant. But looking at the components, the contents of this herb, high antioxidants, high vitamin C, vitamin E, and high folate levels, we can see that it will support fertility. So add it to your diet. It does no harm. After all, it has a whole of other benefits that it can provide to your wellness. That is Purslane for you. The next time you see it, don't cut it and throw it away as other weeds. It has more benefit than that. Even in alternative medicine, they say your own herb is in your garden. So, you that is farming and you have this in your farm, your own herb is there. God has placed that there for your service, because there's something in you that this herb will help you to resolve. So let us go all out. Look for Purslane and add it more to our diet. In pregnancy, even when you are pregnant, it's a whole lot of benefits to you and your baby. So let's go Purslane. Let's talk about how you can add this to your diet. In what ways can you use it? You can use it as spread it, chop it and spread it in your salad. You can stir fry it, add it to rice, or use it to eat yam or plantain. You can also use it to make a soup. You can blend it and put as a soup that you can drink, or put it as vegetable in your soup. You can also use it as a smoothie. It will be very nice. Blend it with other vegetables or other fruits and drink it fresh, and you will reap a lot of benefits. So that is Purslane for us. Let us get this nature powerhouse into our body. Whenever we see it, let's not overlook it. Cut it and thank God that you found it, because what are herbs made for? They are made for the service of men. Thank God for herbs. So they will help us build our immunity, help us to stay healthy, and reduce our medical bills. Stay tuned. See you in our next video.